everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Android phone vibrate continuously. So the easiest way to do this is simply just getting a free app. So go to the Google Play Store here and go to search. And then we can just type in Vibrate. And there's a bunch of different ones on here. So you might see some suggestions pop up. So I installed one if I go on down. So I installed this one, Vibrator, strong vibration app. So just search for this and then install it and open it up. Now this one comes with different patterns, so like infinite, heartbeat, etc. And I think some of these have a crown above them, so that means it's going to be like a paid feature. And then you can go to the speed, intensity right there. But all you have to do is just come here, press this button, and you can't see it at all, but it's vibrating right now. And then we can turn this off. And I think this works with the screen off too. So actually, I think it might have stopped. Nope, it's working. But go ahead and just check out this application. It works. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.